Hello again. How are you, student? We are in period 6, unit 2. Let's start with the activity 1. Read to find the information. Note when these things happen. When these things happen. Traditional folk music starts thousands of years. Now I will read this, then I will give you the answers. People first played a simple kind of oud. Classical, number 3, classical Arab music developed. Number 4, musician developed the modern oud. Number 5, the guitar arrived at its modern shape. Number 6, the rock music developed, and so on. Here is the answers. Number 1, to complete it thousands of years ago. You can stop the video and write the answers well. Number 2, 6,000 years ago. Number 3, many centuries ago. Number 4, about thousand years ago. Number 5, 2 centuries ago. Number 6, in the 1950s. Here is the answer. You can write it and solve the activity. Okay? Now let's move to another activity. Activity 2, work in pairs. Ask and answer question about these things. Here we back to our trick or our solution to use your friend mirror. This is a mirror. Your friend mirror, you can use it to solve any question that need to work in pairs. That means to need a friend to work, because to not touch the people and avoid to touch anyone, to be safe for the viruses. Different kinds of music and when they developed. Musical instrument and when they developed. Now try to make a small paragraph, 2 lines or 3 lines to every part or branch of the question, and send it to your teacher, to me, or any teacher if you not in our school, to correct it for you. Now start your questions with when or how. The question is exactly question 2, when, that means mata, and how, kaifa. Okay, long ago. When did traditional folk music develop? Here is the question. It will help you to make the question. It developed long ago. Question, how long ago did it develop? It developed thousands of years ago. This is for activity 2. Now let's move to activity 3. Read again and answer the questions. How can music make us feel? Name for feeling. بمعنى سميها الشعور. What did folk singers sing about long ago? Where did rock music develop? What two things did classical Arab music develop from? What was and still is at the heart of the music? How do a lot of people feel about the oud? which learned a lot from which Arab music or music in Europe. Number 8, what did the oud develop into and where did this happen? Where did this happen? Here is the answers of the questions. I will read it for everyone and try to write the answer. Number 1, sad, happy, quiet, bitter, when we are sick. When we are sick. عندما نكون مرضى. Number 2, their symbol lives. Number 3, in America. Number 4, folk music and poems. Number 5, singing. Number 6, they think it is the greatest musical instrument. Number 7, music in Europe learned a lot from Arab music. Number 8, it developed into the guitar in Europe. Here is the question, here under my mouse, and you can write it. Let's move to the last activity. Think and discuss. Think and discuss. You can do this alone by yourself. Think and discuss. I will read it for you and translate it to be clear for every student. Work songs are one example of folk music. What else do you think folk singers often sang about long ago? Number 2, work songs are one example of the folk music. بمعنى انه شغل الاغاني واحد من الفلكلور او التراث الفلكلوري الموسيقي. What else do you think? ما ايضا تفكر folk singers often sang about long ago. ايش غنوا يعني ايش عملوا اغاني من الماضي. Number 2, in modern times people usually write new music for musicians to read and play. How do you think people passed on their music in ancient time? في الموسيقى الحديثة الناس عادة بيكتبوا موسيقى للموسيقيين to read and play للقراءة للتنغيم أو للعزف. كيف يعني تفكر أن الناس عبروا إلى الموسيقى القديمة إلى الحديثة من الموسيقى القديمة إلى الحديثة. Number 3, who or what are your favorite the world of music at this tournament? مين أحسن عازف عندك في العالم العربي في الموسيقى؟ فريد الأطرش، رياض السنباطي, for example نصير شمة, and so on. That's difference. Number 4, what instrument would you most like to play and why? For me, I play oud, I play violin, I play nai, and here is some of my nai. Here is some of Shababa or Nai. Okay, this is to be for you. Now we will close the period and let's meet with you in another period. Okay, see you, goodbye, and feel well.